Welcome, digital explorers and future coding wizards, to another epic adventure on Academy Hub 360. Today, we're not just talking about coding, we're embarking on a quest to discover the languages that will shape our digital world in 2024. With the help of our mystical guide, static.app, crafting enchanting websites will be a breeze. So grab your gear and let's unlock the superpowers of coding together. In the vast universe of tech, each programming language is a star, guiding us to new horizons. Choosing the right one illuminates the path to building innovative apps, solving complex puzzles, and even changing the world. Today, we decode the mysteries of the digital realm, revealing which languages will be your best allies in the adventures that lie ahead. And for those daring to conjure web portals, static.app will be your trusty spellbook. First up is JavaScript, the lingua franca of the digital kingdom. Imagine conjuring interactive websites, summoning dynamic content, and even breathing life into web dragons, all with a flick of your JavaScript wand. This language is your passport to the vast realms of web development, from frontiers like React to the depths of Node.js. And for the web wizards seeking to craft with precision, static.app awaits to transform your visions into reality. Next, we stir the cauldron with Python, where simplicity meets power. This language is the alchemist's dream, turning raw data into gold, scripting spells for automation, and unlocking the secrets of machine intelligence. Python's gentle learning curve is a boon for apprentices, yet its depth mesmerizes even the most seasoned sorcerers. Whether you're predicting the future with data or automating the mundane, Python is the key to a treasure trove of possibilities. Onward to go, the wind under your wings, when speed and performance are the quests. In the cloud kingdoms and microservice mazes, Go cuts through complexity with the swiftness of a gale. Its concurrency charms allow you to perform multiple feats at once, a skill invaluable in our ever-accelerating digital world. Embrace Go, and you'll soar across the skies of back-end development, where scalability and efficiency reign supreme. Behold Rust, the stalwart guardian of system-level realms. In lands where safety and speed are paramount, be it crafting digital fortresses or forging swift, reliable tools, Rust stands unmatched. Its armor shields against the dark sorcery of memory bugs, ensuring your creations endure. Venturing with Rust equips you with the strength to build foundations that last, from operating systems to game engines, all while keeping the dragons of inefficiency at bay. Finally, we unveil Swift and Kotlin, the twin blades of mobile destiny. Swift, the heart of Apple's empire, allows you to craft spells for iPhones, iPads, and Macs with elegance and power. Across the chasm, in the Android realms, Kotlin offers a beacon of productivity, replacing Java's old scrolls with its modern, concise syntax. These languages are your allies in the quest to dominate the mobile kingdoms, creating apps that enchant users across the globe. As you embark on these quests, remember, no hero is an island. The fellowship of coders, forums, guilds, and sanctuaries like Stack Overflow and GitHub are your allies. Share your victories, learn from the trials of others, and discover the enchantments of open-source contributions. And when in need of a sanctuary to refine your web crafting skills, static.app beckons with its vast library of spells and incantations. Brave adventurers of Academy Hub 360, our journey through the coding cosmos concludes, but your quest is just beginning. Armed with knowledge and the magic of static.app, the realms of technology await your mark. Hit like, subscribe, and light up the comments with tales of your coding quests. Share which language you'll master first and any arcane challenges you hope to conquer. Together, let's make 2024 the year we redefine the possible. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and never stop exploring.